Alright, here we are again. I'm going to get the goggles on me, just because we have lye, sodium hydroxide. This is pH 6.86. So this is a perfect pH. This is where you want your pH in your body. And so what we did here with the calibrator, let's put that in here. And see, it's 6.7.8. Give it a nice little stir. Let it sit. Then you press calibrate. 1, 2, 3. There it is. And it starts flashing. Hold the meter still until it stops flashing. Okay. 6.8, 6.9. Okay. Then you want to kind of rinse it, dry it off. We'll actually rinse it. And this is distilled water here. So now it's cleaned up. And then this is the calibrate 9.18. This is if we're trying to get the pH 7 or above. If I was looking for something acidic, I would go from 7 to 4 or below. So we're going above, because for the Ormus, we need to get to 10.78 or so. So we shake it up a little bit here. We're going to do the 9. So you immerse the electrode, stir the meter gentle for a few seconds. Hold still the meter. Okay, it's way up there, you can tell, already at 12 pH. So gently for a few seconds. While the meter's in solution, press the calibrate. So we're going to press this guy down. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now it's flashing. Then press it again, immediately press it again, and then press it again. Hold the meter down until it stops flashing. So hold it down. Then hold it down again. Okay. 6.8, so that's a balance. It turns off on me. Not sure. Okay, we're going to put it here. Take the meter out of solution, rinse it, distill water, dry the meter on the drying pad. Okay, so then from there, that's what calibrates this. Now it should be a good reader, pretty much. So, for instance, I need to make sure it's really dry here, because it's still reading something. Okay. It's just the air, I guess. Okay. Did I clean it? Yeah. That's it. This is the water out of the spring over here, which I just talked to a man who's an Indian, Crow, who just assured me that there was a study done by Maryville, University of Maryville?
University of Tennessee.
Tennessee. Said that it's 99% plus probably
99.99% pure.
Purity in this water. So that's reassuring. Now, this is pretty good water. I don't know. Cover it, turn it off.